Today I will show you how to create this text glitch effect. First we will find the title that we liked and that's added to the timeline. We will cut 3 seconds out of it and remove the other part. Now let's extend our timeline. Double click on the text and go to advanced. First let's write something. Let's say glitch text effect and we will choose another font. Also let's increase the size. After that, go to animation and remove the animation. Make sure the text is placed in the middle and press OK. Next, copy the text, lock the first layer and paste on top of it. Let's unlock the first layer, click on it again and go to advanced. Now change the text from white to black. After that, press OK. Now cut at 2 seconds. So let's cut and go to transition. That transition you are looking for is deposit up and add it on the first part of the second layer. So it should last 2 seconds. So the effect is coming to left little by little, but we can do way more. So next we will export this video. Let's title it second layer. And let's make it 30 frames per second. After that, delete this and import that clip back. So here we have it. Let's set our clip first and add the text on top. Let's remove the other part of our clip. Now click on the second layer, go to compositing and change the blending mode to lighten. Next, cut at 2 seconds, so select the second layer and cut. We also need to cut between 113 and 124. So here next go to effects to shake and we will add the sideways add to the first, on the second and the third. Don't touch the last one. Now go to distortion and add the chromatic aberration to the second and the third one. Under that you will find the flip. Add that to the second one too, so you can see how it looks. Click on the second part, go to the int and to video effects. Lower the chromatic aberration a little. First we will go to frame and add some frames to it, and we will also use a preset for our clip. Finally we will add the glitch sound effect. So this looks nice. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you guys next time.